Well, it's been about 30 minutes and 3/4 of a mile up the hill. You can see behind me. That's where we're going. Way up there. Got a long ways to go. The next like third of a mile probably won't be bad, but after that it's gonna suck. I mean, these freaking mountains are huge. Thank God I don't have to go to the top of any of them.
In the late 1930s, a gentleman by the name of Hal Maltby leased some Forest Service land to become the original proprietor and builder of the Maltby's Resort at Upper Twin Lakes near Bridgeport in Mono County. He and his wife Helen ran the lodge for many years, attracting hunters, fishermen, and family vacationers who traveled far and wide to experience the High Sierra. In the early 1940s, Hal was scouting for deer when he found an icy stream that was out of season, and curious to where this very cold water was coming from, he hiked up a mountain through rough terrain and discovered an ice cave, and crawling through, he found a hidden mountain lake not on any map. He came back down and told the Forest Service about his discovery, and they named the lake after him. Fast forward to September 2024, Hal's great-grandson, 27-year-old Carson Pettit, like his great-grandfather, a rugged outdoorsman and hunter, decided to try and find this lake. And he soon discovered just how rugged and treacherous Hal's journey truly was. Carson is the first descendant to retrace Hal's footsteps through time to Maltby Lake.
This place really gives you a whole lot of holy shit moments. Like, holy shit, I'm f***ing tired. And holy shit, that's f***ing beautiful. I feel like I'm way too tired for it to be that close, but it's okay. We got some flat right now, and it's gonna get bad again. We've got to go all the way up there and then some. The f*** den if I've ever seen one. Jesus. No bears around right now though. Hopefully. Remember how earlier I said that other rock looked like a den? I think this one might be too. In fact, it looks more like a den than the other one. No bones in there though. That's good. They're so docile. Come on. Watch out. They're kind of funny. Yeah, in case you haven't noticed, we've made it to the boulder scramble section. The first one, at least. We gotta get up that little knob, and then it'll be slightly easier for a second, and then it's gonna be hard again. But getting up that mother is gonna suck. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Well, about to hit our first snow patch. The more I keep climbing and having to take a stop every 15 minutes at most, it's making me realize old great grandpa was kind of a freak in his own right to be able to come up here and do all this. I'm assuming somewhat regularly, but not only that, but then have the idea like, hey, let's go see what's top of that mountain, and then some way or another crawl through a cave and say, you know what, that seems like a good idea. Oh no shit, there's a lake over here, and now my dumbass is going to trying to find it. That's all right. It is nice up here though. I've had to shed all my layers for the most part. Had to open up the vents on my pants and try not to die. I don't know if you can see him up there, but there are 2 guys climbing that sucker. Oh no, 4. Holy shit. There's 2 more up top. Holy shit. Those guys are crazy. Oh, and there's 2 more over there. It's a pretty famous rock. There's a lot of guys camping behind me. I don't think anybody's up at the lake though. I hope not. Well, we're at what I'm hoping is to be the beginning of the final ascent and then the descent into the lake. We'll see. Right now it's just the last boulder crawl. Till then, I mean, but there's a lot of freaking rock in this little valley. Well, we made it to the peak of where we're going to be hiking. It's about almost 9:40. Should be the lake in about another 5 to 10 minutes. Hopefully, if all goes well. If I don't die in the meantime. But we'll see. There it is, Maltby Lake, almost there. Gotta do some boulder climbing to get down and then we'll be there. God, it's so pretty up here. It's kind of trippy. Oh, cool. Finally made it. You know, I can't even begin to express how like fulfilling this is. And now, I mean, for one, the beauty of this place, but two, obviously the namesake significance. I mean, it's gorgeous. But hopefully the fishing's good. We'll see. gonna go up over there and take some pictures, and then gonna go to the pass because I talked to some people from the National Park Service that said the view is worth it since you're here. So I'm like, all right, I'll go. Anyhow, and after that I'll head home. Caught a shit ton of fish though, that's for sure. Just going over away from Ice Lake, officially at the highest point. It's all downhill from here. Thank God. That's called the Hulk, and it's a beast. What's amazing to me is like this little rock formation in front of me. You would never know Maltby Lake is back there. It's just so well hidden. That's crazy. I don't even know if you can even see those guys still. God, they're way the hell up there. They're like right there. Holy shit. I'm making pretty good time coming down the hill, but about what I'm guessing 200 yards back, I made a wrong turn somewhere, and now I'm going down the creek, which it hasn't been horrible, but you can definitely tell it's not the way I'm supposed to go. Maybe going the wrong way, but at least I got a good view. Well, I made it back onto the trail. Thank God. I was all the way over there at that waterfall just a second ago. Going down those rocks are a little sketchy. But it's mainly all easy stuff now until the last little bit. Finally getting back into the trees. Was all the way up there and then some. I know there's still one more serious downhill I'll have to do, but other than that it's pretty smooth sailing all the way home. The aspens and the leaves are just barely starting to turn color. Let's see. They did say some snow might come in tonight, so you know, I think I might have timed it just right. How's it going? Good, how are you? Doing good. Well, finally made it back. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. But I still have 3.5 hours of driving home to do, so. Really fun trip though. Best mountain fishing I've ever had. Cool experience, without a doubt.